Good morning, everybody. Today, April 4th, and today I'm going to ship off an item that was purchased last night from OfferUp, and that item is here: ultrasonic pest repeller. I got this, I think a couple months ago off eBay. That because in my house we have a big problem with spiders, especially when around now that the weather is breaking. It, it get a lot of spiders in this house. So thinking this would really help. It didn't really do much. So I just put it up on eBay and OfferUp just to see. I guess it may work for somebody else because sure it didn't work for me because I was seeing spiders still laying next to these things while they plugged up. So obviously it's not working. So somebody else got it, $10. I think I paid just about that much for it too. I don't know. I forgot, but yeah, I think it would probably be about 10. But somebody else got it, so I'm going to ship this off. All I do is print out the label, just toss it into this big large envelope here, and be on my way. Right now, that's all for today so far. But thank y'all for watching. Enjoy y'all the rest of the day. Stay safe. Be a student for life. And learn from your mistakes. And I will see y'all later. Thank you. What up, y'all? Same day. Just got a sale on OfferUp. It's a radio, old school radio. I'll show y'all a picture. I can't really pronounce the name of it, but I got this from the Goodwill thrift that I got. Kind of went back and forth with the guy. The shipping was too much for him, so I ended up reweighing my package, which ended up being under three pounds, and I dropped the shipping for him. He was able to buy it. So I mean, beforehand, I offered him. Well, he offered me $8, which I had the radio for $16. Then I offered him 12, so he took the 12, and I lowered the shipping for him. And he ended up paying for it, but he ended up messaging me saying I guess he was in a rush, so because he didn't want to keep me waiting, so he ended up purchasing it the full price of the 16. And he went going through the list of things that I had, like, is it something I could get for $4? And I offered this razor that I had on there, but he ended up asking, can he get this vinyl record that I have? And I'm like, well, that's cool. So I end up having to retake the radio out the box. Now I got to repackage it in another box with that record, and it kind of made it go over 3 pounds. But I already got the label and everything. I'm gonna just ship it off as is. So I mean, whatever happens from there, it just happens. But because 9 times out of 10 they gonna charge me, so everything's cool. But all in all, everything's good. So that's pretty much it for today, and it's 11:09. So just before I hit the 12 o'clock mark for the next day, end up making the sale. So stay tuned again, and I will see y'all later. Peace out.